Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to back up and restore WhatsApp chats. First of all, you have to go here in settings and click on chats and scroll down until you see chat backup and click on that and click on backup. And WhatsApp will automatically make for you a backup of your chats. And after this backup process finished, and to restore your WhatsApp chats, at the beginning you installed your WhatsApp application and you enter on it, and it says to put your phone number, and after you put on your phone number, it will look for you your last backup, and then it will automatically set your backup up, and everything will be ready for you to use your WhatsApp correctly, and every chat will be there on your WhatsApp. And that's it, guys. This is the way you can finally back up and restore your WhatsApp chats. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day, and see you next video, guys.